me, Mr. Skip. Just give Walmart door everything they had when came out on a few battles. Everything designer's back, I really feel like the man. Frank Blue, he's gonna do life in prison for my stabs. Got accused of a hate crime because I robbed somebody who was a friend. But this equal right side from everybody as long as they've got battles. Road pulls in road ditches and paths. How is the restrictions of only friends? Try HickBoy Hundo, then he'll get hit twisted, get the snap and in trouble. You double you slam. Came and hot and carry look like Alcazar. I can't make my hit go from ultimate free look like Shazam. Gods took my life since how I had to ride the grand. Accidentally burned my house down while to get you out of a pan. Accidentally left the clock, you know, so I had to be thrown to get twisted pan. And now I'm about to go into this white bitch lane. Have I really not that shit on me like I'm Iron Man? I get killed, but do you understand? Me and the team about to pull at me and you're put in a white van. You know, bro, shit was a thief, was a part of the plan. Came and lost some drugs and sold that shit and runs back. And I own smoke sour leaves so because that shit tastes like sun ranch bags. Saw a bitch in sun Panachi and knew I had to back. Drawn to hand on the beat, I'm involved with my hands will fill a sack. It's HickBoy Hundo, I get pathetic. Nutty is just in my genetics. Was too easy pathetic. I was never really into athletic. Punch that red bitch in the stomach and now she ain't red anymore. I guess you could call that Nancy. Road was talking real crazy. Well, you know that HickBoy Hundo had to pull that quilt the cheap, but real time now he's bleeding out of his sleep. Such a situation, now I think I thought kryptonite. She used to sold with to this mess have much that was real like a grippy. Try HickBoy Hundo, then shit spin like get loud. Shit spin like oh pow pow. I can't get it even like walking kill that shit slaughterhouse. Told you on the place why the fuck you left your bitch pin you out the house. Road catches and road screams like nobody first with his sound. And my grandpa's is maxed out like a level 500 lash. It lands down. Didn't pay for the samples, now I might just have to move out of town. Road walks into go and forth and offended. I believe my whistle ground. Just got and from Las Vegas, so out I'm heading out. Dirty. No, lost all my money from gambling. Dog, I got no more to destino. Here, liquor store enough. Found justice, we live not a look like no. Bitch, I'm back on board like Jack the Ring. I hit this